Good day, everyone. I'm Jezreel Tan, your discussant for today. A life without an internet. Can you imagine it? No, me neither. So often referred to as a network of networks, the internet completely revolutionized the communications and the computer world we live in today. The internet is the world's most popular computer network, originally created in the 1960s as way for government researchers to share information. The Internet is a worldwide collection of computer networks cooperating with each other to exchange data using a common software standard. Uses high-speed data lines called backbones to carry data. Smaller networks connect to the backbone, enabling any user on any network to exchange data with any other user. Created by the Advanced Research Project Agency or the ARPA in the U.S. Department of Defense for scientific and military communications. Internet. How does it work? The Internet and its uses. First, connect easily through personal computers, mobile phones, and smart TV. Exchange electronic email with all those who have accounts on the Internet. Post information for others to access and updates it frequently. Access multimedia information that includes text, photo, music, video, etc. And last, access diverse perspectives from around the world. How the Internet works. The TCP or the IP. The protocol used by the Internet is the Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, or TCP or IP. Every computer and network on the Internet uses the same protocols to control timing and data format. And last, no matter what type of computer system you connect to the Internet, if it, if it uses TCP or IP, it can exchange data with any other type of computer. The route traffic across the Internet. Most computers don't connect directly to the Internet. Instead, they connect to a smaller network that is connected to the Internet backbone. Second, the Internet includes thousands of host computers or servers which provide data and services as requested by the client system. Third, when you use the Internet, your PC requests data from a host system. The request and data are broken into packets and travel across multiple networks before being reassembled at their destination. Let us define what is a computer network is. A network is a group of connected computers that able to send data to each other. A computer network is much like a social circular, which is a group of people regular exchange information and coordinate activities together. The Internet is a collection of networks that connect to each other. In fact, the word Internet could be said to come from the concept interconnected networks. Since computers connect to each within the networks, and this network also all connects with each other, one computer can talk to another computer in a faraway network, thanks to the Internet. This makes possible to rapidly exchange information between computers across the world. Computers connect to each other and to the Internet. Wires, cables, radio waves, and other types of networking infrastructure all data sent over the internet is translated into electricity or also called as bits and then interpreted by the receiving computer. The wires, cables, and radio waves conducted these bits. The bits that can pass over these wires and cables, the faster the internet works. There's no center for the internet. Instead, it is distributing networking system, meaning it is not dependent on any individual machine. Any computer or hardware that can send and receive data in the correct session, like using the correct networking articles, can be a part of the internet. The internet's distributed nature makes it resilient. Computers, servers, and other pieces of networking hardware connect and disconnect from the internet all the time without affecting how the internet functions. Unlike a computer which may not function at all if it is missing the component, this applies even in all the large scale of servers and entire data centers or an entire region of data centers goes down. The rest of the internet can still function. So how the internet works? There are two main concepts that are fundamental to the way the internet functions: the packets and the protocols. In networking, packets is a small segment of a large message. Each packet contains all the data information about that data. The information about the packet's contents is known as the header. It goes at the front of the packet so that the receiving machine knows what to do with the packet. The packets get routed to their destination by networking devices such as routers, switches. When the packets arrive to their destination, the receiving device reassembles the packet in order and can use and display the data. Packets are sent across the internet using the technique called packet switching. In the mid routers and switches arrival to the per packets independently from each other, without accounting for their source of destination. This is by design so that no single connection dominates the network. If that data will send between computers all at once with no packet switching, a connection between the two computers could occupy the multiple cables, routers, and switches from any set of time. Connecting two computers, both of which may use different hardware and run different softwares, is one of the main challenges that the creator of the internet had to solve. It requires to use communication techniques better understandable by all the connected computers. Just these two people who grew up in different parts of the world may lead to common speak language to understand each other. This problem is solved with standardized protocols in networking. A protocol is a standardized way of doing certain actions and formatting data so that the two devices are able to communicate and understand each other. The internet works no matter who or what connects to it. The creation of the internet was an incredible achievement that involves the collective efforts of thousands of individuals and organizations. The fact that the internet functions today is a far bigger scale than a far anticipated is a testament of their work. Again, I'm Jezreel and that's the end of my report. Thank you.